This company called KraftGeek reached out to me recently and asked if I would review one of their products. So they went ahead and sent it to me. It's their capsule music stand, and in this video I'm going to unbox it and try all of it out. They sent me the concerto combo, which is the music stand plus a stand light that screws into the music stand, a phone or iPad holder, so the stand can transform from a regular music stand into a tablet music stand, an iPad music stand if you wanted it to, and it also has a carrying case that holds all of those components. I've seen some initial photos and videos of this stand, and my initial thought is that it looks a little flimsy, and I wonder how it's going to hold up over time. So that's kind of my biggest skepticism going into this. But I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to give it a fair shot and let you all know what I think. Turns out that I really like it. I'll include a code down in the video description, Bassoon15, for 15% off the music stand. And that way, if you'd like to try it out for yourself, you can grab a discount on it. But let's get into it. Looks like this is the actual stand. This looks like some sort of carrying case. This looks like a light of some sort that we put on the top here. That's kind of cool. And let's see, this is, oh, okay, cool. So this is kind of like a device mount for your iPad or phone. Okay, so here's the stand. Looks like that's how it folds up. There's the full picture of it. Looks like that's where the device mounts to and the light at the top. Okay, looks like it's got instructions, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another box, cool. Okay, quick start guide, awesome. That'll be helpful. Okay. How do I twist this bottom? Okay, this is the bottom that I twist. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. So looks like it's folding out into the tripod at the bottom. I see, okay. And then this little knob will lock it in place. Stretch for height. Oh, any higher? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, that's definitely plenty good for standing height. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so it kind of flips out like that. Oh, that's kind of cool. It has these like sheet music clips that you could use for an outdoor gig. That's the worst, is when you're outdoors and you have to use a bunch of paper clips or some sort of jerry-rig thing to hold your music up. I end up using my reed tools and then they fall all over. This is really nice that that's actually built into the stand, knowing that's what a lot of us deal with. So apparently this can, oh, and this extends even more. Oh, okay. And then as I understand it, this can come down like this. You can loosen this knob to adjust the angle. So far, I'm pretty impressed with how kind of sturdy it is. I looked at some photos and videos of this and thought it was pretty flimsy looking, but it's really not. It's very lightweight, but it's also very sturdier than I was expecting it to be. Let's look at some of these accessories that come with it. So this light is right here, and we'll open that up. Okay. Looks like there's also a little manual for the light. Okay, looks like that extends like that. Okay, there's a battery compartment. Takes 3 AA batteries in this compartment. Okay, so good to know. You won't have to have it plugged in to work, but you could have it plugged in if you were using this as a home stand and you just didn't want to have to burn a bunch of batteries to use it. Okay. Put this back in. Okay, now let's see. Woo! Okay. It works. It looks like there's a couple different settings. You can use this knob. Some music under here for reference. And again, you could put these clips on. So if you wanted your music to stay, that looks like it would be plenty light in most situations. Let's go ahead and check out the other accessory, the device phone iPad holder. So here is the device mount. That doesn't seem far enough for an iPad. That's gonna hold your phone for sure, but I'm not convinced that'll hold an iPad. Certainly not my iPad. Oh, okay, so does that make it an extension? Oh, I see. Okay, so you press these two back things. Ooh, it's a little, okay, and that should hold an iPad. Sometimes when you're practicing, you're using your phone as a tuner or metronome, and putting it on a stand like this can sometimes be a little bit interesting. Or sometimes you want to, film yourself. I always tell my students, either look in a mirror while you're playing, or film yourself and watch what you're doing so you can learn how to change it. And having something mounted here to be able to watch, or just even have the phone camera on, that can be a way, to have sort of a mirror for your playing, in addition to any tuner, metronome, recording apps, or anything you might be using on your phone here. And then the last thing in the box was this bag in a bag, I suppose. Here is the bag. See, it's got a nice carrier. I do want to see at the end if not only the stand but the accessories fit in this as well. So I'll try that out at the very end. Oh, it just seems to, it looks like it does fit the accessories. It has the special compartments for them. Okay, cool. Hey, that's nice, and it seems like it's a high quality bag, adjustable strap. That's awesome. I really like this. Okay, so for those of you wondering, how much weight can it hold? Can it hold a heavy book? This is the Weissenborn method book. The stand is handling it fine. If you have another Weissenborn book that you want to fit on here, you could still fit. Okay, so here's another use for these clips that I just thought of. If you have, a book like the Weissenborn, especially an older edition that just doesn't want to stay open, this is a great way to have that open. And I love that it's built into the stand and you don't have to try and clip something to it outside of this. That's a pretty cool feature in addition to holding your music if you're in an outdoor gig. I have my iPad here and I have a big heavy case on it. We're going to see if my iPad fits just on the regular stand, and with the book it does. So there's a lot of weight on the stand right now and it's handling it pretty well. I'm curious to see if it fits in this thing down here. Yeah, it's not wanting to fit with my case. I have a big bulky case on mine. Does this fit? Yep, okay. It does fit my giant iPad, but my case has to be off, okay? You could have your music up here and your iPad on at the same time, which is super cool. Now I'm going to try to transform this into just an iPad stand, so if I were performing and I didn't want to have all this stuff up here, I'm going to see how that works. We have the stand like this, where we had just folded it out. There's this knob up here where we attached the music light. This is where you would attach the tablet holder. You could have it go like this. You could rotate it so it's more like this. So this is how it'll turn into an iPad specific stand. And of course, it's got quite a bit of height on it. So I mean, you can get it up to standing height pretty easily. That is probably about as tall as I am. Now the last thing I want to test is how it all folds down when you're totally done, and see what it looks like when it's in the storage case and out of the way. Take all of the accessories off each time you fold it, and I'm gonna push it back together. I'm gonna fold it down like this, and we have these tripod legs, oops, and that goes up. Let's see, and then I believe it folds, yeah, there we go. Folds further like that, like that. I've never seen a folding music stand. I mean, there's some nice ones out there, certainly, that I've seen before. This is the nicest, most accessorized, multi-use travel music stand that I've ever seen, and this is the smallest I've ever seen. So if you're somebody who travels a lot and needs a music stand all the time, This is pretty hard to beat. I've never seen one that's smaller than this. And it's very light, but it's not cheap material. So we've got the stand, the light, the iPad or phone holder, and remember you just press these tabs to put that in smaller. Here is case. Looks like fits nicely. And then just put these in the various pockets. So that fits really nicely. It's got Velcro, so if you needed to adjust the size of each of these little mini pockets, you could. There's more, you could put more storage in here if you had other stuff you wanted to throw in here. There's plenty of space. It's pretty well padded, which is nice, so it'd be nice protected. I will zip it up. Kind of what it looks like in the bag. Also, and this is still a very small profile even in the bag. All right, so I am quite impressed with this. I'm impressed with how small and light and portable and foldable it is, while also being quite sturdy, probably one of the more sturdy stands that I've seen. And the materials are not just cheapy plastic. It sounds like they did a lot of research and paid a lot of attention to detail with this stand, which I'm very surprised with. The only drawback is that tablet holder, if it's a full size, if it's the biggest, I believe like 12 or 13 inch iPad, you'll need to probably take your case off. But if you have any other iPad or phone or whatever, you can certainly leave the case on. So that's the only drawback. I don't personally mind that. Clips and the adjustability and the built-in light. I know a lot of you play in community bands where you have to bring your own stand to rehearsal, or maybe you have outdoor summer gigs that you don't want to bring your nice stand outside, or maybe you're flying on a plane somewhere and you're going to need to bring a music stand. This is the perfect with the carrying case. I mean, I love the tripod on the bottom. It snaps into place. It's not like you have to futz with the tripod on the bottom to get it to be stable. I feel very lucky that KraftGeek sent this to me. I was very skeptical at first. Of course I was like, well, I'll try it and see. But I'm excited to have this now because I will definitely be using it and recommending it to my musician colleagues. The only other stands I have are the big, nicer ones, which are, nice, but they're bulky. They don't fold up. They get dinged really easily when you put them in the car and whatnot. So this is a really cool alternative. Throw a link down in the video description where you can get a discount. You can use code Bassoon15 to get 15% discount. I really recommend products that I think are really worthwhile, and this is really cool. Like, if nothing else, this stand is super cool. I'm happy to recommend this, and I will definitely be using it myself. So I have the concerto combo that comes with the bag and the tablet holder and the light. And if you already have this stand or you end up buying it, comment down below how you like it. What do you use it for? Do you find it helpful? Are there any drawbacks that you know of besides the having to remove an iPad cover? Let me know your thoughts because I'm curious to see how it does in various different use cases over time, and I might test it myself and come back and do another video. But just an initial impression on it is I think it'll work great for what I need it to do.